Hello guys, how are you all doing? Yeah, today I learned about Scrapy. Do you guys know about Scrapy? It's a Python framework used to scrape web applications. Like we can sort of get the information that's on a web page just by writing code. It's used for that. I was learning that because as I go on with learning AI, I might need data, and in so many web pages, there is free data that we can scrape, we are allowed to scrape to train the AI model with some restrictions. So I wanted to learn that. I am learning that, and in the process, there is a good website called Books to Scrape where you can use your scraping knowledge to scrape books, and the whole purpose of the website is to make us learn how to scrape websites. So I learned how to scrape that yesterday for the all the titles. Today I saw how to scrape each and every book's own web page inside that domain so that I can get more information from that. So I just saw, but I didn't implement the code. That's for today about this AI thing. And about DSA part, like I was reading Grokking Algorithms book, it was very good. He was explaining so good with the illustrations, and I started the chapter 2 of that book. And in that book there were like what is the difference between linked list and arrays and all about linked list and arrays. I read till about that and I stopped. That was so good, the illustrations were very good. Also today is the International Mother Languages Day. It is celebrated to celebrate our mother language, and today is World Pangolin Day. I just found out that pangolin is the most trafficked animal and trafficking is so bad. So it's celebrated to condemn the trafficking of animals. And today's fun fact actually is, let me ask you a question. Which of these do you think weighs more? The whole ants on this planet or whole humans on this planet? Think for a second. Yeah, no, the answer is the all the ants combined together weigh more than all the humans combined together. Just think about it once. We find ants everywhere, like literally everywhere, in thousands and hundreds of thousands. They just weigh more, and this is a scientific fact. That's it for today, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Until then, bye bye.